Okay, so this is your last video for Monday's lesson on divided by 10, 100 and 1,000. So it'll just be a short one to explain the intelligent practice to you. So first thing, use the line method to divide each number by 10, 100 and 1,000. So there's 3 questions with this number 44. Can you divide it by 10, then 100, then 1,000? Same for this one, same for that one, same for that one. And then just a little, can you explain the line method? Imagine that you were trying to explain this to someone in year 5. What would you say to them to get them to understand? Okay. Up here then, a little bit of thinking to do. So, what am I dividing by each time to get this answer here? It's either going to be 10, 100 or 1,000. So think about how far each digit has moved. This one says complete the table. It's up to you how you set this out when you're at home. You decide what's easiest for you. You don't have to draw all the lines on a table, essentially. Just set it out so you've done all the questions. So we're doing 30 divided by 10, 100 and 1,000. 3 divided by 10, 100 and 1,000. Then after that, slightly more complicated. So I've put you down a little supporting hands here. The answer is 0.9. So what number would you divide by 10 to get the answer 0.9? And that will go here. Once you've got that in there, you should be able to work out the dividing by 100 and dividing by 1,000. Use the inverse operation. So think about what the opposite of dividing by 10 is and do that to this number first. This one, same thing to think about. How am I getting what am I doing to have got 9 as an answer when I've divided by 1,000? Think about what the opposite of dividing by 1,000 is. Do it to this number 9 to get you your little answer in this box here. Same thing on this one. This says divide by 1,000. So my divide by 100, sorry. So my answer is 9.09. What must I have started with? Use the inverse of dividing by 100, the opposite, to get you this one here. When you've got that one in there, you should be able to work out the other 2 parts. A little bit of thinking to do on that one. And then finally, your reasoning question. Find the pairs of calculations that have the same answer. You need to work out all of the calculations and then you'll find that they match up. There's 2 questions with the same answer, another 2 questions with the same answer, another 2 questions with the same answer. First 3 straightforward. Second 3 need some connective thinking going on. So thinking about dividing by 200, divide it by 2 and then divide it by 100, or divide it by 100 and then divide it by 2. If you're dividing by 20, you can divide by 2 and then divide by 10, or divide by 10 and then divide by 2. And then same thing on the 200. Divide it by 100 and then divide it by 2, or divide it by 2, then divide it by 200. That is your intelligent practice. Write out your answers and send them to us in whatever way is easier. Your next slide on your home learning on Purple Mash is the answers, so you can check them yourself. And then just briefly, here is your dive deeper. I think you should all be able to have a go at this one, an always, sometimes, or never true question. And you should all be able to have a go at this one. This one is a challenge. So have a look at that if you're feeling brave and confident. If you are not sure on that one, don't stress too much. You are welcome to leave that one. Okay, that is all. We are looking forward to seeing what you've got up to today. See you later.